Intellij is a very popular IDE with tons of productivity enhancement and intelligent features. In this video, we will see how to install it on a Linux server and how to configure it to point to the right Java version and configure other settings. And finally, we'll create a simple Java project to show that it's working. First, let's go to our browser and type download Intellij. We will use the free community version. Click download and it starts. Alright, now let's go to the downloads folder. Here is the zip file. Double click it and now click on extract. I like to keep my installs in documents/tools folder. Alright, it's extracted. Here is the folder. Let's click on it. Here we see the bin folder. Let me open up a terminal window at this location, which is the bin folder. To start the install, let me type ./idea.sh. It brings up this install wizard. Check the user agreement, click continue. I'm going to select don't send. And now we see the community edition banner in the background. Alright, here is the Intellij interface. So Intellij is installed. So from here we can customize the look and feel, choosing the light color flavor or another theme. You can customize a whole lot of other settings by clicking on the All Settings link. For instance, under Editor, General, Auto, Import, I like Intellij to import automatically the classes for me and also optimize the imports, meaning remove the unused ones. Similarly, there are a whole lot of other settings you can play with. Now, let's click on Project, New Project. It automatically recognizes that I have Java version 16 on my machine, but from here you can download JDK or point it to another JDK location by choosing Add JDK and pointing it to the folder where the JDK is located. Let's click Next. Choose that we are going to create a command line project. Click Next. Give our project a name. Let's say First Project and say Finish. It creates a main.java class for us with the boilerplate main method. So we can click on the project tab to see our projects and see its structure. Let's do a system out print line of my first project and then click Run. And here we see the output in the console window. We can also add the desktop icon for the Intellij by going to the main screen, and from here you can say install the desktop icon. Now if you want to locate the Intellij install, you can go to the search and type Intellij and it's going to show you the Intellij version which was installed, and you can double click it and launch it. In this video we saw how to install Intellij, configure its Java path and other settings, created a simple Java project and executed it. Thanks for watching.